Have the band assemble on the lower deck next.
We are clearing the slipway, sir.
Very well. Continue recording. All appears to be in order. She is ready for the crossing. I have the con. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
Midships. Steady her.
Aye, sir. Steady.
The cuisine is exquisite this evening. To a successful journey. Full journey. Nonsense, darling, it will be fine. Come look at the horizon, it's grand. And
Another warning, sir. Take a look.
It says there's a field of ice directly in our path. The ship is going too fast. We have to tell the captain.
Then let's go! Move!
What is it? Tell me.
It's freezing. We've struck ice. We need help. We need help. Send the distress call. Iceberg, right ahead. Iceberg, right ahead. Hard to starboard.
Chief Officer, get the boats prepared for lowering immediately! Women and children first!
Stop! There is room. Women and children, quickly, get in. Stop! There is room. Women and children, quickly, get in.